What comes first when you build a children's book, words or pictures? In this video, I will show you how I used AI to shape my story from chapter outline to a full ebook creation checklist. Let's start with the 7 chapters I created with the help of AI. Those guided the overall flow of Wanda the Friendly Widow, a not-so-scary spider tale. So I went back to AI after they gave me my 7 chapters. It was sometime later. And I said, what are the 7 chapters for the Wanda book? Because I had forgotten what they were. And AI came up and it said, with each chapter, 7 chapters. And it came up with number 1, Wanda wants a friend, 150 words. Wanda, a cheerful black widow spider, lives alone in a cozy web under the porch. But all the bugs run away when they see her. Wanda wonders, why is everybody afraid of me? Theme, misunderstanding, and loneliness. So it also gives me the theme. And it goes through and it has the 7 chapters. Well, as you noticed before, this is not the name of the 7 chapters. This is great. It shows me the number of words per chapter and everything, but it's not the same chapters. And I come up here and I go, did you change the chapters? In the blog, you have our example in chapter 2, upside down surprise. I'm confused. And then it comes back and goes, great catch. You are absolutely right to be confused. Let's clarify everything. There are 2 sets of chapter titles involved here. And here's the original chapters again. And then what it says in the 7 chapters I gave you in the last message were worded summaries designed for quick outline early reader versions. And so what it did is gave me a different type of chapter. We still got the chapter headings, but that we've got right here. AI comes down here and it says, want a chapter map, title, and story beat. Now it's combined the 2 things it gave me, both types of chapters. And it goes back here to where we have a spider named Wanda, which is the name of the original chapter. Then it gives me its second version on the right-hand side. So it goes, a spider named Wanda. Wanda lives under the porch, and so it gives me that description it gave me earlier. And it goes back through all the 7 chapters. Next, I gave ChatGPT this prompt. I asked it to help me build an AI-assisted checklist to guide the full creation process from writing to design to publishing. Here's the prompt. It reads, create a detailed step-by-step checklist for creating a children's book using AI. Include steps for writing, illustration planning, image generation, layout, formatting, and publishing. Ebook and or print versions. Highlight where AI can save time or improve results. And here's what it created. An interactive checklist organized by stage, writing, illustration, formatting, and publishing. It keeps me on track and it makes the process feel a lot more doable. This checklist was produced in PDF and it's interactive. In other words, I can actually put check marks in each of the boxes. I printed the PDF and also keep a copy on my computer so that I can actually check off the marks. If you're new to AI in children's books, this kind of prompt can save you weeks of guessing. Now, a little side note. Regarding images, I wasn't sure which program to use for the creation. I have Adobe Express, Illustrator, and Photoshop, all which offer AI assistance using Firefly. Additionally, I have InDesign for layout. After a lengthy conversation with ChatGPT 4, it was recommended that I use Canva. Until yesterday, I had neither used nor had access to Canva. Now I do. The problem is I have to learn Canva. Therefore, I've decided to learn Canva over the next 2 weeks. I have signed up for a program on Udemy titled Become a Bestseller Author via Consistent AI Character Design, Amazon KTP Publishing, and Effective Marketing Using AI. It's a pretty long title. And a training program on LinkedIn titled Canva Essential Training. After my training and while I'm training, I will do some videos, not blogs, on what I'm learning and how it relates to creating children's books. To view these videos, you need to go to my YouTube channel. On YouTube, use @AI Tech Publishing. That will take you to the specific channel where we keep the AI Tech Publishing videos for our blog. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and fellow creators, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.